This is just a quick and easy $10, 10-minute Dollar Tree DIY upgrade. I think it makes a festive statement and really adds a lot of sparkle by the time we get done with this. I like to start with a really clean base because there's no sense adding sparkly ornaments to a dull or linty fixture. So I just give it a nice polish and then we can get into it. And while I was cleaning, I happened to knock some of them off of alignment, so I'm just making sure they're equally spread again. And here you can see that I've attached a bread tie. You can use ornament hooks or floral wire, whatever you need. And I just secure it, smushing it through the fixture because this doesn't have a gap on this first row for my fixture, so it's a little more difficult. But it'll hold. You just form it to it and make sure that all of your strings and knots are all pushed flush against it so that it looks clean when you're finished. And then you just repeat that process on all of your remaining lampshades the exact same way. And when you come to the center, I'm using a different shape of pendant drop here. You do the same for the first half to get it to hang, and then you add a second ornament hook or floral wire to the opposite side and attach it to the middle. And then you just adjust the tension left and right until your ornament hangs directly from the center. And then again, make sure to tuck away any strings or wires. And there you have it. It looks totally glam and polished. I can't even tell you how many compliments I get on this piece every year, and it's so crazy because these ornaments are so inexpensive and the project is so simple. Well, that's all I have for today. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching.